Okay, now that we've finished station 1, we're going to go over to station 2. So, regardez l'infographie, répondez aux questions. So we're going to look at the infographic and answer questions. So click on station 2. And we're going to look at this infographic right here. Close some of these out. So, 10 trucs faciles pour arriver à information. So we're going to look at this, and you're going to refer to this. So I'd keep this tab open. So we're going to take a look, read the document. And so right here you have about 9 questions, or 14 questions, about what these things mean in English. So you have these English options over here. So we have truc facile. So truc facile. And so we're going, what is it? Could it possibly? So is it going to be go to bed? I. No, we don't see any je. At school? No, école. I. Easy things could be I. To arrive in good shape? No. Middle school? No. So it's going to be easy things. G. So and your blank space on the bottom, you're going to write 1 G. And you're going to do that for all of the 14. Then you have 3 questions to answer that you get to do in English. What's the main idea of this document? Answer in English. What do you think? Who do you think the intended document is? Who's the audience? And why? So just take a guess and why. And number 3, even though it says number 4, if this was created for Americans, not French people, how would it be different? And what does this say about the different perspectives between the two cultures? Okay, that's it.